Hey guys, hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. Happy Tuesday, November the 10th. Yeah, today is the 10th. Uh, Welcome back to the channel, guys. Hope you guys are having an amazing day. It's a beautiful day. Um, Skies are bright, as you can see. It's very bright here. I think it's gonna get up to like almost 80 degrees today. That's like I think we hit a record or something. We had basically like 3 or 4 days like this. So guys, get out, get you some of this sunshine because we all need it. Okay, we all need it. Let's admit it. We all need it, including myself, during these days in this life on this earth. We all need to get sun, especially for y'all who are like, y'all might be going a little cuckoo or something. I'm not saying that in a bad way, but I mean that with all sincerely. Um, that's why a lot of things are happening because we're doing this stuff, the cold, this COVID and pandemic and all that stuff. A lot of people are like really like on their last leg. So get outside, go out in the woods, go out and get some vitamin D, run, ride your bike, do something because it's going to get really cold. It's going to get cold and you're really going to be in the home. So I think once people start doing that, we won't have a lot of things, a lot of bad things going on. So guys, yeah. So when I say, guys, that's what I wanted to say too. When I say love yourself so that you will love others, guys, it's not a catchphrase. That is really sincere what I'm saying because I say that to myself every day just as long as I say along with after I say the Lord's Prayer, I always incorporate today's going to be a good day along with love yourself, Sonia, so that you will love others. Because that stuff, when you say those things, it manifests, guys, on the inside and it comes out on your actions on the outside. So many people are just running around this world. They are mad, angry, confused, crazy, overdoing, things and taking things that they shouldn't be taking or drinking and to suppress what's really hurting inside. So yeah, please love yourself so that you can love others. And I really mean that. I really mean that. So that's our little chit chat for right now. And I'm drinking some coffee, and I think I got some. It's called macchiato or something in here for as far as my creamer. Um, yeah, and guys, we are all flawless. All of us. All of us. Don't worry about what people say about you. As long as you know you're good and you're a good person, that's all that matters. Please don't worry about what people say about you, especially if you're doing right. If you're living right and you loving right, you don't have to worry about that. Brush your shoulders off, okay? Because it ain't true, you know, and you can't take that to heart. So yeah, move on. Move on. So guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. This is just going to be one video. Hope you guys can get it today, Tuesday, like I said, the 10th of November. I did get the light fixture up, guys, so I'm going to show you guys that. And like I said, guys, I really appreciate, guys, all of y'all's love, comments. I'm glad I can inspire people to live simple, don't spend a whole lot of money, save, family, encouraging words. This is just a regular channel. And I don't think I'm nobody. I just started YouTube just with my lifestyle. And I think I started it with just showing guys how I exercise, run. I just be who I am. And I appreciate you guys for hanging with me, for not getting too personal into my life and, asking too many crazy questions, but allowing me to be who I am and loving me for who I am and loving my family for who we are. And I can never thank you enough, but I'm thanking you now. And then also, too, for leaving the comments and, conversing with one another. I appreciate that as well. So, yeah. Just wanted to let you guys know that I love y'all. I really love y'all so much. Thank you for supporting my channel. So, y'all, look at that. Y'all like my blouse? This is the blouse that I got for 50 cents from Target. Hold on, I'll show you guys. I'll show you guys my OOTD of the day. If you guys can see, I got on these shoes, and these are my old white pants. I thrifted for like $1 something. So, yeah, guys, I love this top. It's so cute to me. It's so pretty. I'm trying to see, y'all, how much time we on. I got to get my eyes fixed. This don't make no sense, y'all. She don't make sense that she got to squint her eyes like that. Where are my glasses? Let me go see if I can find them. I think they're in the kitchen. Oh, and I'm going to show you guys. I just got some tea too before I came home. I got some. If you guys have a drug mart in your area, I got these teas here. Licorice Spice. This one is herbal, and it's 18 bags, and they're non-GMO. I got this one, decaf, black tea, decaf, chai spice. I really can't wait to sink my teeth into this one. Well, sink my mouth into this one. And the same thing, it is, no, this one is 18 bags, probably because it tastes better and it's better. It's a better ingredients too. Normally when it's like that, it's non-GMO. Normally, I don't know if you guys know that. Normally when you buy tea in a box and they have 20 of them, it's not as good as the other one. So that is why that is. So tip from me to you. So yeah, guys, let me see. I told you I was going to see what we working on. Okay. 6 minutes. I think I'm good. Okay. So, like I said, I showed you guys my blouse. I told you guys I'm very grateful for having you here on the channel. Guys, I'm going to be taking one of my decorative books and putting it in that back room because, guys, I got a surprise for y'all. It's going to knock your socks off, and then I'm going to have to do a story time on that too, y'all. So, yeah, I'm going to take one of these books. And I think I'm going to leave this one in here and take this one back there because this one has more of the blue and it has more. And then that's going to go good because I'm keeping that. If you guys remember, I had the royal blue velvet pillow. I'm keeping that, and that's going to go back there. So let me show you guys the light fixture. So guys, here is the light fixture, and it didn't really take no time to get this up. Oh, it's too bright. It's really bright, y'all. But that's what it looks like. I'll brighten it up a little bit for you to see. The only thing is if you guys can see like right here, because we took that old light fixture down. There was an original fixture from this house from when it was built. So we have to fill in, if you guys can see, we would have to fill in with that, I don't know, what do you call that stuff? That white, it's like drywall stuff. So that's how that looks. I absolutely love it. So guys, let me know what you think. I think that looks so, so good from the hallway. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. So, yeah, guys, that's all I have for you today. And thanks for coming back and checking in and chit-chatting with me. And guys, I am loving this space. Oh my God, I'm loving this space. So like I said, you're going to be surprised in the next video, and I can't wait to share some more things with you guys. And remember, guys, you don't, like I said, you don't have to spend a lot of money because definitely, trust me, I did not do that. Everything that I sold, and I had a thought too today, guys, when I was just sitting here relaxing. I was thinking about, at that house, we were there 11 years. And then another house before that, we were there 10 years. So I'm thinking like every house that I did go to, I did like revamp, but I did transform and bring the things from the old house to the new house. But I end up eventually selling and getting rid of it and passing it on to children and people and my family members and friends and stuff. So yeah, I didn't spend a lot, y'all, but I did recoup my coins, and I was able to save and gain new items and brand new stuff at affordable prices. So I want to leave y'all with that. So please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. I love you so very much, y'all. Thank you for watching again and supporting the channel. Share the channel, okay? And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.